Hey guys, welcome to new video. 39 Dusan here. In today's video I got some Sony server here. In the last time I scrapped Panasonic server and that stuff is be amazing, just amazing. But this time I got some Sony. You see? Yeah, not see that. Yeah, this time me and my cat we are gonna scrap this Sony server. With the last Panasonic server I be very satisfied. I will see what this stuff contain. If this stuff contains some goodies inside, probably I will harvest more this item, because I'm just right the moment I am in the making a deal with the owner one junkyard, where I see about 50 of these different types, Panasonic, Sony and other servers. So if I am satisfied with the last two server, which I buy just for checking what contain inside, probably I will buy more about 50, but I will see. Okay, so let's start. Okay guys, so I already unscrewed these screws. This is the first time when I open this fellow. Very heavy piece of metal here. Let's see what we have inside. Well, it's basically on the first side it's look like a normal computer. So first, this part here we got power supply, just a normal power supply. I got one big normal motherboard like in the normal PCs. This is the hard drive, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slot card. This is this part here, one memory stick. This is just to this part here. The other part, well, I'm not too satisfied with this one. A lot of cables, yeah. This will be a nice return in the copper, we call that cables. And four of these coolers, solid money to sell that. One little board here. This board is for coolers, and nothing else. Yeah. So okay, let's scrap that. Let's start to scrap that and see what we can get from it. So this box is actually pretty cool. So maybe I will just leave that box to build some PC inside, a new PC. Operating system on this board is a Windows 2000. Some scrap steel, but I'll leave that for now. Okay, it's a big board inside. Let's unscrew all that screws from the cards. Okay, let's remove that cables, and I got some connector on the back. See, a couple of pins with the gold plating inside. Okay, well, this is the first card, but it's actually a free card in one. Look at that, very nice. for thumbnail pictures. Yeah, cool. So first I'm gonna separate all the free card. Okay, so I remove first card. All this free card is covered with some kind of glue. I don't know. Let's scratch this. Let's see, is there any gold under that green color? No. So some gold connector here, gold plated pins. Some pins in this connector, some pins here, gold plating, and a lot. One 4-side leg chip, good one, small but good one, and couple of very nice amount of small 2-side leg chip. See there, MLCCs, one big one. Look at that, look at the size of that. This one with the palladium, this one just silver, some black tantalum here, and a lot of small one SMD resistors contain silver too. Okay, so it's not too much on this part, but okay, let's go further. Okay, this is the middle card, second one, and on this side, this is the bottom side, we got one tantalum capacitor here, you see there, some SMD resistors, some small MLCCs, 1, 2, 3 chip 4-side leg, a good one, and a couple of small 1, 2-side leg, some MLCCs here too. The other side, one very quality chip. This is actually like a BGA, but not a BGA. This is just a normal IC, like a 4-side leg. Okay, but this is a processor chip, definitely. 4-side leg, sound chip, very good one, and stock with a small one chip, very nice. Gold plated pins, gold plated pins. This is the switch, contain gold plated side, more 2 tantalum, orange one. Nice card. And I think this card is the best. The bottom part, solid finger, like a graphic card. Some big resistors, some big SMD resistors. Some IC, 4-side leg, 2-side leg. A lot of small tantalum here. And on this side, gold plated pins, switch with the gold plating inside, pins, finger, and of course the BGA chip, 4-side leg, 1, 2, 3 chip, a lot of small 2-side leg chip, some MLCCs, some LED diode, and it's not bad. It's not bad card at all. Very nice. Okay, let's go to the next one card. Okay, this one, the bottom side, nothing too much, just gold plated finger. Here too. But on this side contain solid amount of 4-side leg ICs, some BGA here, and 2-side leg small IC, one crystal oscillator here, and some LED diode. This pin is not gold plated. Small card, look nice. More one, big one. Okay, I'll remove that. So the bottom part, gold-plated finger, connector with the gold-plated pins, finger, middle size BGA, more one here, solid amount of 4-side leg chip, and it's stocked with a small one chip. Everything here it's small one, this black stuff is a small one chip. SMD resistor, some very nice chunky MLCCs with the palladium, very good one. What else? And I got two crystal oscillators, very nice size. Some pins here, so very decent board, very nice. And here is the graphic card. Okay, I broke this connector accidentally, sorry. This is, I think it's a old graphic card. So some connector with the gold plating here, very nice finger, some small card here, and on this side two 4-side leg chip, 3-leg IT, some tantalum here, crystal, and let's see the BGA, under that some brass. Okay, very nice chunky BGA, very good. Okay, so just a normal graphic card, old one. Right now here let's see the processor. Okay, so some cooler, I can sell this. Very nice chunky heatsink, very heavy, and just a normal fiber processor on the bottom. Very nice amount of card inside this. This is the server, but this is this is for me just a normal PC. Okay, because they contain stuff the same like in PC, just better of course. And the card is very good one. Nice amount of ICs on them, nice finger, some other stuff, very good one. But the board inside, okay, let's see what the board contains. It's just a normal PC board. One BGA here. Here it's a worthless BGA. We got one RAM stick here. Here I got some pins, but this is just a low grade pins. It's far away from that server from the last video. Here I got some hard drive, and here I got some power supply. I got a lot of cable, that definitely it's a good one, good stuff. And here I got that small board plus some ITs here, 2-side leg, 1 4-side leg, some switch with gold micro board here with some ITs. And it's just normal, it's basically like a normal PC, nothing too much. So I will not scrap that any further because you already see what is inside. And what is the bad stuff is that because on that pile I see a lot of these, and if I buy that on the board, on the kilogram, on the price for the kilogram board, it's worth for me. But if I buy on the price on the kilogram for everything with the box, it's not worth for me. That one, Panasonic from the previous video, worth for me, but this one not worth for me, definitely.
What the fuck is this? I don't know. Never mind.
Okay, so what is the saleable? What I can sell here? All this go to scrap, definitely. But this Ford fellow go to scrap, and this is just waste steel. But I can try to sell this like to some people to make some custom PCs. Definitely, maybe I will make some PCs in this box because it's very good shape and it's not damaged anywhere. Well, the cooler, and you see there some filter for the air, very nice one, actually very nice one. But for the gold recovery on the board weight, it's worth, but on the scrap in total weight, it's not worth for me to buy everything for the gold recovery. But that item from my previous video is definitely worth to buy on a kilogram. Okay, so never mind. In the previous video you see what is in the Panasonic server, but right now you see what is in the Sony server. And of course, I hope you loved the content of this video. See you for a couple of days in the new video. Until that, save scrap, make gold, have fun, subscribe to my channel, and cheers mates, friend out.